Pero ang House prosecution sir, si Sec. John Balitud daw yung kinikilala.
That's going to be a problem for at least a few days, maybe a few weeks, because we don't expect naman the Supreme Court to rule right away. But what's the best truth that Malacanang Santis Indies? Oh, first, yung pananakot nila sa mga miyembro namin na lumipat, yung offer na wala ng kaso pag lumipat. O second, as soon as nila ginawa, naglabas sila na ang House at ang Malacanang ay dun pumapabor. O diba? Pwede naman mag-neutral na Malacanang. Pwede naman sabihin ng Malacanang, settle it among yourself. Ganun din sa House prosecution. Hindi naman nila gusto ng fair na impeachment. Gusto nila yung may pinipili na silang grupo. That's why sabi ko sa inyo, if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, they blame me. Eh kung tama ako, na from 24 gagawin 22, eventually 18 ang senador, ako sasabihin nila 12 convicted na. Will that be a fair impeachment process? What will happen to the country if that happens? Then ang kasunod naman is CONAS. No? So, give me a few days, pag-usapan natin yan, but let's focus lang dun sa nangyayari. No? But just to answer your question, it will be up in the air. That will be a legal question, and we are in the right side.
Okay, last question, Mayan.